When spring comes around, the weather warms and many pests begin to stir from their winter stasis. Among these, the more common insect pests to pose problems for homeowners include flies, ants, mosquitoes, and fleas. In this video, we'll briefly go over each of these pests and how you can eliminate them from your property. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Some of the earliest pests to occur in spring are flies. These pests are attracted to decomposing materials from your trash, animal waste, and food. Some flies aren't just a nuisance. Some species are known to transfer diseases or even cause painful bites. The first thing you should do to get rid of flies is to sanitize your home. This will address the source of your infestation. Clean your kitchen and around the garbage can. Wipe down the counter, sweep or vacuum the floor, and make sure loose foods are kept in plastic containers. If you have pets, be sure to put away their leftover food and water. If you have cats, keep their litter boxes clean. If you have dogs, clean up after them outside. Once you've achieved a clean environment, flies will no longer be able to breed on your property. You can catch lingering flies with sticky traps like musky sticks, or quickly knock them down with a pyrethrum aerosol like Pyrid. For numerous homeowners, ants can be a year-round problem, but occasional spring showers make ant encounters more common. Since most species of ants send scouts for food, they will often leave pheromone trails for other members of the colony to follow. More common ant species include the odorous house ant. When squashed or threatened, they'll emit a foul odor that's not too different from rotting coconuts. These ants are attracted to sugary foods. Outdoors, they'll feed on honeydew from aphids and scale insects. If you find them invading indoors, you may want to check your kitchen or pantry to see if you've left any sweets exposed. To treat indoor ant infestations, use a bait like Ant-Trax. Ant-Trax is an imidacloprid gel bait used to control ants through the exchange of food bait within the ant colony. You'll apply 4 drops, or 0.006 ounces per square yard of treatment area. To prevent ants from invading indoors, we recommend a repellent insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a Bifenthrin insecticide concentrate. Mix 1 fluid ounce of concentrate into 1 gallon of water and apply your solution as a perimeter application. Once dry, this product will protect treated areas for up to 90 days. Everyone knows mosquitoes are small, flying insects that feed on our blood at any opportunity. Female mosquitoes need blood for reproduction and are vectors for diseases like malaria, West Nile virus, and yellow fever. Mosquitoes are abundant in spring due to warm weather and the buildup of stagnant water. These irritating pests look for water to lay their eggs in, so be sure to look around for potted plants, bird baths, containers, and other areas where moisture collects. Throughout the day, some adult mosquito species will rest on the underside of overgrown grass blades or plant leaves. To control mosquitoes near bodies of water you can't drain, we recommend you use a natural larvicide like BTI Mosquito Dunks. These are great to use in bodies of water like artificial or natural ponds, unused swimming pools, or even in flower pots right after it rains. When set on top of water, the mosquito dunk will gradually release a bacterium known as BTI. Larvae in the water will consume the bacterium and die within 48 hours. BTI is lethal only to mosquitoes and some flies, and will not affect people, pets, or wildlife, including fish. You can use the product's labeled rate of 1 dunk to treat 25 to 100 square feet of surface area of standing water. Fleas are parasitic insects that suck the blood from their host. Besides their ability to quickly reproduce, they are also known for their resilience to insecticides. People and pets outdoors, plus the combination of warm, humid weather, gives fleas more opportunities to invade. They prefer moist, shady areas, such as your lawn or underneath your porch. To treat fleas outdoors, first broadcast Valar Plus Bifenthrin granules throughout your lawn. With a push spreader, you'll apply 2.3 to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Next, make a broadcast application of Supreme IT at the rate of 1 fluid ounce of product mixed into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. The combination of these 2 products will eliminate fleas and other pests on your lawn's surface and subsurface levels. For more common spring pests and how to control them, check out our complete guides online for the best methods and product recommendations. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop any insect from infesting your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.